Hey, it's Nate Savage here, and I want to show you how to inject some flavor into your solos with the major pentatonic scales, particularly your blues solo. So the blues scale is great all day long, awesome sound. But sometimes you just want something a little bit different, and one thing that can provide that for you is a major pentatonic scale instead of the blues scale. So if you take an A major pentatonic scale and blend it in with the blues scale, it can create quite a cool sound. So if you start off like on your 12-bar blues, just playing super bluesy, but then you put in a major pentatonic right here, something like that can really take the listener, grab them and say, hey, listen to what's going on here. I know what's going on, and I'm intentionally picking my notes and the flavors that I want in my solo. And if you don't know this little shape that I did, I'll show you this really cool movable shape for your major pentatonic that can get you all over the fretboard. It's really cool. So you have your A root note right here on the 7th fret of the D string. You can use that as your starting point for this little major pentatonic idea. Just play that note, and then the 9th fret with your 3rd finger, slide up to the 11th fret, and then go over the G string, 9th fret with your index finger, 3rd finger on the 11th fret of the G, so far. And then you can hit the root note again to finish that. And that's just one idea of how to apply this. So blues lick, and then switch to major pentatonic. And then you can lead into the 4 chord where you can do the same thing. You can either stick with the blues scale and then switch to this D note right here on the 4 chord and play another major pentatonic. Same exact lick, we're just compensating for the tuning on the B string. And then back into the blues. So this is one really cool way to change a sound and pick a flavor. Let me play this over a loop for you, a 12-bar blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I did there is I did throw in a major pentatonic scale for the D, and then for the E as well, the 4 and the 5 chords in the key of A blues. So same exact idea, this shape starting on the E, then the same thing starting on the D, and then you do the same thing on the A, the root, and then back into the blues. And you can mix this up as much as you want. Just realize that the more you do this, the less bluesy sounding your solos are going to be and the more major sounding. So if you want the major sound, sprinkle this in. If you don't want it to be quite as major sounding, stick more to the blues and throw this in just occasionally. See you later.